Let me show you how we make high-protein topper for your dogs. First, we start with premium chicken breast, packed with lean protein to keep your pup strong and active. Next, we add chicken liver and gizzard, which are rich in essential vitamins and iron for a healthy coat and energy boost. For the veggies, we've got broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. These are loaded with antioxidants, fiber, and nutrients to support overall health. And don't forget the pumpkin. It's great for digestion and adds a naturally sweet flavor dogs can't resist. It's all natural, nutritious, and made with love, because only the best will do for your pets. Follow for more tips and recipes to keep your pets happy and healthy. Pet Village, always providing the best for our pets.